To ensure that all those processes that we have mentioned are followed through when you are constructing your test. You start from planning, and when I say planning, here you will identify the instructional objective that you want to explore, and you will ensure that your test is aligned with the curriculum using table of specification. You will also ensure that you are designing the table of specification such that it will not allow for con lopsided. You will be giving every con their due course, tapping into the construct as well as the cognitive level. After you have design and plan, that's two stage. You will go to writing. You will draft items if you are measuring, or you are intending to construct 200 items for your test. You will have to draft more than 200, so that at the end of the day you will then look at how to pilot test or identify and fix the errors. Pilot testing requires that you do item review. An item review can be done by fellow teachers who have subject mastery, or your superior that has knowledge of test construction. After you have done all this, you will identify the items that are okay, that you want to use in the final version. Then you go and do what we call item analysis. At this stage or process, you will analyze the item to see which item is difficult, which item is easy, which item discriminates, which item is valid, which item is contributing to the reliability of the test. And from here you will be able to finalize the final version and assemble the final version rather of the test. So in the seventh stage is administration. So administering a test is also important, because you have to ensure that that test that you are administering is administered under standard conditions, such that the condition will not invalidate the process, and the score obtained must be interpreted using appropriate standards of interpretation. So these are the 8 processes involved in test construction. To ensure that all those processes that we have mentioned are followed through when you are constructing your test, you start from planning. And when I say planning, here you will identify the instructional objective that you want to explore, and you will ensure that your test is aligned with the curriculum using table of specification. You will also ensure that